Now see, it's crazy to see how something going so well can easily turn around and feel like you woke up in hell. Cause of the mood changes, and it changes like the season. Watching her get mad when she didn't even need a reason to yell. But it sucks to watch it all go down the drain. Now see, it started with kisses and hugs, laughing, living it up, yeah. But where did we go wrong? Now it leads to pushing and shoves, cussing and throwing round things. Now I'm writing this song, and it kills me, but it sucks to watch it all go down the drain. But it sucks to watch it all go down the drain. See, I admit that at first I wasn't the man you deserve, but I simply asked for you to give me some time, and I learned I didn't care how much it hurt or how much it'll burn. I was willing to walk through that fire to hold on to your love. But you see, one thing is wrong, baby, gone much too far. I can't take this no more. No more. We're fighting no more. We're crying no more. We're fighting no more. We're finished and we're done now. No more. We're fighting no more. We're crying no more. We're finished and we're done now. And it kills me, but it sucks to watch it all go down the drain. Now I feel I gotta build a bridge to climb over my tears, baby. Cause losing you was one of my biggest fears. Listen to me now, cause I'm singing from the heart. I wanna love you, but you make loving you so hard. No fighting no more, no more. Fighting no more, we're crying no more, no more. We're finished and we're done now, no more. We're fighting no more, we're crying no more. We're finished and we're done now. And it kills me, cause it sucks watching it all go down the drain.